Everybody temperature alright, the ladies them hot, but it's alright.
Now the Pelican Bar flight. Yeah man, big up yourself sis.
We're in the lab, we're having fun. Call up your friends and tell them that another video's done. We're in the lab, making you proud. If you're ready for adventure, let me hear you shout. It's labs out loud, out loud, out loud, out loud. It's labs out loud.
Hey Lab Squad! Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shade and I'm starting this vlog all the way in St. Elizabeth! Cuckoo! Yo guys, we're going on a road trip. We've been on this road trip since yesterday. I'm telling you, it's pure vibes. So we're currently heading to Pelican Bar out in the middle of the Caribbean Sea. If you never know, now you know. So we're having fun, 2 carloads of us. We're driving all the way down to the beach side where we're gonna get the boat, and then we're gonna be out in the ocean having some fun. Alright, so if you guys are enjoying these videos, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Press the button, guys. Remember to comment down below if you want to come on one of our Lab Squad excursions. Alright, so I'm just gonna let you see the rest of the journey, and when we pull up, I'm gonna call Floyd right now, let him know we're almost there, so he can give us some further instructions. Alright, bye. No, not bye, later. Squad, we have arrived. We're going to go and board the boat, so I'll meet you guys on the ship. Alright, what is name on the boat? Yeah, I see grape them here. No, chong. Say hello to the internet.
Hi.
Guys, it's all the way out there.
Oh, that's what over there.
Yeah.
What do you think I
She afraid, you know, watch out. Fug up on the boat. Yeah.
Watch ya.
Yeah.
Watch ya.
Hi, Logan.
Big vlog of this.
Welcome to Jamaica. Hello. How do you do? Where you from? One of them trip better be one still. Alright guys, so we're loading up the boat. It's a blow up. Hold it down. You sure?
Sure like this.
I'm so sure like the sea.
Yeah, Logan, that's it, boy.
Hey! I like how you flipping that one. No man, sit down, that's how I see it.
What you say?
Sit down. I'm trying to put the one now, I see it.
Hold him.
Oh my god.
No, sir. Am I ready?
Alright, cool. Just send them over there. dirt there.
Wait, sorry.
That's right.
Did I leave the boat?
No man, you're up on the shore now, so it's gonna be rocky because of the wave. Right, good. Stay on that side. Watch your hand. Watch your hand. Come on. Watch your belt.
What's your name?
Richie.
Which way am I going? Which way at the front?
How long is it gonna take?
15 minutes, 10 minutes?
20 minutes, right?
5 minutes.
Okay.
5 minutes.
Around this way, people. People, you can actually see where we're going.
Yeah, over there.
Father God, we thank you for your blessings and your love. Guide us and protect us, Lord.
Amen.
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 That's your boat. You show me the good kind of leaving.
It with balance? You want it back?
Alright. She keep telling
Call me think you should do over here, sir.
I'm still want to answer the name. Where's the rock, sir?
Come on. Yeah. I should have Richie, you will.
Who this? Alright.
My second time alive.
You hold love and good day.
I'm not giving a life jacket. We have a life jacket. You have your life jacket.
You have life jacket, yeah?
Yeah, man, get them, man. You want it? Yeah, man, the girls for me. Girls, don't want it?
Relax yourself, baby. Relax. You can't be more nervous like me.
Eh?
Just relax. Is she crying?
It's recording.
Just relax.
Talk to
Never
them.
gone on the boat here before?
No. First time in a while.
Relax, baby, relax.
Yeah, you guys over here, you know. So chat with chat, yeah? Alright, we're going to see you ride, yeah?
Guys, we're pulling up.
With all my family and friends, yeah? Woman. I must not be a foot today, I said that, yeah?
But you don't look so scared.
I'm not scared.
Right.
That's the outside in the middle.
You'll be okay, honey.
Ma, you part of the reason why she's freaking out. Coming out here so crazy.
No, not
At least
me.
mommy calm now. Look at him, look like him excited, man.
You okay?
All the coast, oh yeah, so you're the coast showing now.
Colette, how you doing?
I'm good. I'm loving it.
Routine. Talk when you get there.
She's hanging on.
Shady B.
Yeah, you don't know I'm from this lifestyle. They don't call me mermaid shad for nothing.
So you're from China?
From nothing. So now I've seen a China bee.
Do you?
I think so.
Okay.
I don't know.
Why? When they say outside, we outside. Yeah? Yeah. So them show one over the news. And this one them show over the news?
No, that's a smaller one.
What them show over the news?
Yeah. Almost like the tiki, but yeah. All hands inside the boats.
Hand inside, Shabelle.
We're getting into shallow.
Waters.
Oh man, I should have kept my bag.
Yeah, I got swim naked.
Skinny dipping.
Skinny dipping.
Kids, close your eyes.
And we shall sneak one down the back there, man. Got some
Yeah,
time.
what they
Once
call
a
it?
man,
The-
twice a challenge.
They
You
say
have
the
to be the
pants
man
and the
alone.
boy is a bikini. Rastaman! Yes. never live, you never faithful. As Dora would say, Lo hicimos. We did it. You got the temperatures?
Yes, man, everybody temperature alright. The ladies them hot, but it's alright.
Rooted in the middle
Welcome
of the
to FLOYD'S
sea.
Pelican Bar. Hello, this is our kitchen right here.
Look at me.
Having lunch.
I don't make me a
You make your order early if you're doing that.
Welcome and big up yourself.
Yeah, man, I mean that call you.
Alright, bless.
Buying drinks there? Okay.
I'ma buy you a drink.
She feel for lobster, okay?
You feel nauseous, huh?
Lobster very nauseous.
You feel lobster-ish?
Yeah.
So then I see like a lobster.
Which one? The dead one? Hi guys, look who I have here.
The man himself, owner of the Pelican Bar, Floyd. Yeah man, big up yourself sis. I want the thing shot as much as you can see.
Yeah.
Highly blessed.
Guys, make sure you come and check out FLOYD'S Pelican Bar. We're in the middle of the ocean. Like, does it get better than this? Not at all. Yeah.
To the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. And we're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this
progress all this time. The moment she's been waiting for. The food. Oh yeah, man. A lobster, them, man. Them lobster are different bodies. Boy. When you feel for lobster, but the budget's a fish. Wow.
Shoot me or something below.
In it. Hey Logan. Logie.
Why me think you there make water soak you in there?
You get it now? But me not get the call. You can call me? Send the WhatsApp?
Them just come on my call, you know. Food nice.
Oh, what's that Japanese out there, so? For when one.
Eh?
There's no door, there's no on the corner.
Oh, it's here?
Just pee on the mat.
Uh-huh.
You know them vulgar
Oh, pee on them. Oh, you think that in here, so?
No, me think so. And then paper there.
Where you put the paper? In the bin?
Yeah. And
Okay.
there's water up there.
Wash your hand. Okay, guys. Yeah! Yeah, man. Yeah, so you don't know this is Shanika. This is my foreigner friend. You know, she's my plug. Made me the hot girl I am today.
Now, why you didn't catch the foot something you just took?
We're literally in the middle of nowhere. Like, if y'all don't believe me. Oh, it's true. It looks like little grass or something. Alright, Lab Squad, so we're gonna leave the Pelican Bar right now. Everyone had a good time. The food was really good. The food was really good. The food was Is this it?
Yeah.
Oh, that one. That one. I never even bring with it. Yeah, man. We see the little boy.
Good like that. Which little boy?
The little
On the
boy,
boat.
he was with us.
Oh, okay. You mean the little man, not the little boy?
I know, right?
You might just drag her in. Go down there, girl. Go down there.
General, are you alright with cool, man?
Careful, look.
Make him hold your hand. Yeah, come back.
Hold it,
everybody. Sure, yeah, man.
Wonderful. Come on, you reach. Go on, man.
General.
Hold on for him shoulder, any part. Yeah. There you go. You're inside. You're inside. Sit down beside Colin.
Pass the map over.
Yeah, man, go next to the young lady at the front there. Yes, step on the both side.
Yeah, man, I can. Ready?
Are you
Hey, you're not go. Yeah, man, so go.
And this at the back of the boat, right? Front. This at the front, that way.
So overload the nine.
You might bring other people. I guess they call. Well, if they're the right, because they're the right.
It's all on for me, you know what I mean? It's all on for me. It's all on for sure.
Very smart.
Boy, everybody don't go on that one.
Alright guys, so we reached back to the car now. We're gonna get our feet washed off and then head back to Kingston. I'm not lie, St. Elizabeth was a vibe. Right guys? Yeah. It was a vibe. Them tired. You could wave box them down, but St. Elizabeth was a vibe. The river, 10 out of 10. The villa, 6 out of 10.
6?
It incomplete. 7. 7 out of 10, Richard? Alright, 7 out of 10. And then Pelican was 10 out of 10. It was good. It was a great experience.
Don't get dirt back up, you know?
Now make careful.
You wind the window down, you know? I'll put back the door. She must hot it in there. Just open back in there, it's hot.
My turn!
The bar up, you know?
Oh yeah, build it. A year one that I see over the other side.
My brother, I built up a bar here. And
Oh.
so if you also want a restroom, you can have a restroom.
Yeah, and someone for wash off. Because I told me I have to go, you know.
Hope you have a safe journey.
Thank you.
Be back again and enjoy on the Saturday.
Yeah, man.
Next time we'll come back and have some coolings for the corner.
Yep.
3 hours later.
Lab Squad, we're back in the Kingston. So we're just gonna give a recap of how St. Elizabeth was before we reach our yard. Cause you don't know what's reach our yard, and say it's done. All right, put on camera and go a bit. Now it's tired. So focus on me. All right, there we go. So guys, individual, let's just go. How was starting with the driver? How was your trip to St. Elizabeth?
It was great, it was great.
Was great? Just great? 4 hours later, it's still just great?
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, but tell us that we're giving speech.
Good, I conquered one of my fears.
What?
It was awesome.
What you say it was, Colin?
Awesome.
What made it awesome?
I went on a boat.
Yeah?
Yes.
And where the boat brought you?
For me,
Yeah?
I like the boat. I ride the boat every day.
So, any man shut up the steps, or we just go? Okay. Why? Guys, for me, it was an awesome trip. I haven't been to St. Elizabeth in a long time. My first time driving that side. My car, Blues Clues, has officially been to all 14 parishes in Jamaica. Okay? Okay? And it's all because of the Lab Squad. So make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe so you can keep getting these updates of these epic vlogs. Alright, comment down below where you'd like to see us next. You know, say we could have drive Blues, go up a foreign right now. That's how we would reach Mexico, but they might work on the highway. So just gonna close it out right now, and you know, enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I'll see you another time. Bye, Lab Squad. Bye.